During this edition of the Mixology series from Fedway Associates, we're going to go through how to actually put together a cocktail using the cocktail kits that a lot of bars and restaurants are currently selling. For our next cocktail at home, we're going to be making a cocktail with Ketel One Botanicals, peach and orange blossom. We're going to be making a kind of a little riff on a mojito. It's called the Bojito. For this cocktail, we're swapping out the rum for Ketel One Botanicals, and we're swapping out the mint for some basil. So let's get started. What we're going to do is add our basil into our mixing glass. About 2 nice big sized leaves are plenty. Next, we're going to add in 1/2 ounce our simple syrup. Next, we're going to add 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in 1.5 ounces of our Ketel One Botanical peach and orange blossom. And then give this cocktail a good hard shake. And we're just going to strain our cocktail over fresh ice. Top our cocktail with a little club soda. And finally garnish with a little lime and a little sprig of fresh basil. And there you have the peach and orange blossom Bojito made with Ketel One Botanicals, orange blossom and peach.